Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 30 for the Vlogmas series here on my YouTube channel, and today is also episode 24 where for the Vlogmas, my top 5 favorite products. And today we are going to be talking all about lip gloss. So in 5th place we have the NYX Butter Gloss. This was so good. I loved this gloss. It was amazing. I used to use it all the time. I think I used it when I first started to do makeup, and it's just so good. I love it. 4th place, we have the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oil. This one is amazing. I actually have 2 of them. The other one I got from the Naruto and ColourPop collection. This one was just another one. This is in the shade Skinny Dip. I love this one. It is so good. I just sometimes put it in my purse if I just want to touch up the lips. If like my lipstick has rubbed off and I just want a little something on the lips, I do sometimes put this one on. Or I do use a ravie Beauty Lip Treatment Oil. That is amazing. I love that one. Okay, in 3rd place, we have something that I wanted for a long time that I finally got. I wanted to combine lip gloss and lip tints in this video. So this is technically a lip tint. This is the Wonder Skin Lip Tint. I have the shade Crush, and it is so good. I love this. I do really like to use this one for like a no makeup day, and it's just amazing. I love it. In 2nd place, we have another lip stain. This is the e.l.f. Glossy Lip Stain. This shade is in the shade Power Mauve, and I love it. It is so good. It is amazing. I do like that it's so small that I can just like fit it in my purse. It is amazing. In 1st place, we have one that has been around for a long time that I finally got that I love, and I love the packaging. The packaging is so old school. This is the MAC Lip Gloss. This is the clear one, and it's just amazing. I do really like just to slap on a lipstick sometimes and then just apply this. It's amazing. Or I do sometimes go in with a lip liner and then apply this on top, and it is amazing to wear it like that as well. So that was all of my favorite lip glosses. See you guys tomorrow for day 31. Bye!